Hi, Michelle. I hope all's going well. I wanted to provide you a different way to look at this instead of showing you my responses. And maybe this video will give you a better visual of how I interact with students, how I present the discussion board. And if you have additional questions on it, if you want me to send it in a Word format, I'd be more than willing to do that. So what you'll see here is when a student logs in and they're going to participate in the discussion board, I set the requirements right here. So I like to have the initial post due by Thursday, 2 peer responses. I set the points right here, and I set the question right here. Okay? So you saw I have 89 posts, total posts. So I have 20 people participating, and out of the 20 people, they have to have 3 responses. So some people have more, and that includes my posts as well. I like to respond to 90% of all posts, and I like to add additional posts that are interactive, that they can connect things to the daily course concepts within economics. And I also like to add embedded videos or these kind of screen capture lectures. So what I do, I only allow them, let me show you this. I only allow them to, they only can go from here. You click on this. There's the question. So Elizabeth was the first person to respond. Okay. And then, so here's Elizabeth. And then here's my response. And I try to respond to 90% of the students, as I told you. I try to bring up something good about her response that she talked about. And I try to flip it to another question. So we have more people. Here's Jessica. Opportunity cost of taking this course. A comment about, one of the challenges we face within economics is how we make choices. Then I flip it on something else. Okay, and she comes back and responds. Sometimes I respond to those, and sometimes I try to add a response to all the students as well. Any student can respond to any of my posts, and that can count as a peer response. And I find that very helpful because they look for my questions to guide them a little bit more. Let's see here. Here's Harrison. And you see that a lot of students do a very good job putting that reference and citation in it. I really harp on that, but I give them a citation reference generator. It's made it very simple for them to do it. And then here's my post right here as well. And not always, and they're not at a disadvantage if they don't respond to my post, but it's an opportunity for them. Here's another student. There you see that reference citation, and there I am again responding to that. So if you want to see in a different way, or if you want to see my course design, if you want to see some of the questions, but I like to respond to probably most students will be on Friday. I'll respond. Thursday, I'll start to see about half the students, but Friday is one of most of the responses that I will basically respond, and they have till Saturday. So if you want anything else in a different format, let me know because I'd be more than willing to assist.